Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. I thought I would share this one really quickly because it's non-phone. It's listening to audio files and just summarizing, typing what you hear, like a transcription type job. Of course, the links to all the pages I share are always directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. Now, the company is VCA Animal Hospital, so this is going to be for those animal lovers. They only have 3 reviews on Glassdoor, so please, as always, do your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. Out of those 3 reviews, they have a 3.5 out of 5-star rating. And they are looking for a VCA Scribe Specialist. Now, this is going to be remote, full-time work from home. But they are looking for someone who has previously worked in a vet office, maybe at the front desk as an administrative type person, someone who's worked as a vet tech that's looking to move into the work from home space, or someone who is enrolled in school in veterinary school. So they really want somebody who does have vet experience to understand what these vets are saying. But what you're going to do is you're going to access the vet recordings when they talk into the microphone when they're diagnosing these animals. You're going to listen to these audio recordings, which are recorded live during those doctor's examinations, and you're going to summarize key points in a clear medical record by creating the medical record into the animal hospital's Wolfware system. That's a cute little name. And then you'll respond and receive any feedback or coaching from the vets themselves on how to best summarize the key points. So you're just going to be listening to the audio and typing what you hear, and you don't even have to type word for word what you hear. You're going to listen and kind of summarize it. You'll also have to participate in team meetings and trainings as needed. Now, they're only requiring a high school diploma. They prefer an associate's or bachelor's degree, but it's not required. But they do want somebody who has at least 1 year of experience working in some kind of vet office or enrolled in vet school. So someone who is proficient with that vet medical terminology and a medical record keeping for those animals. Other than that, you have to have a passion for pets and strong attention to detail. Of course, you've got to be a great typer. Now, pay for this position is anywhere from $18.70 an hour all the way up to $26.40 an hour. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button if you enjoyed it, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.